In this video, I'd like to talk about reference angles. Given an angle with an initial side and a terminal side, the reference angle is given by the angle of the triangle that is formed when you project the terminal side down to the x-axis. It will always be going down or up to the x-axis. And then it is this angle that is the reference angle corresponding to this angle. So, if we have an angle given by something like this down to here, so that we have this angle, then its reference angle is given by projecting the terminal side to the closest horizontal. And so it's this much is your reference angle. Your reference angle will be always between 0 and 90 degrees. If your terminal side is in the first quadrant, then your reference angle is just your angle. If your terminal side happens to lie in the fourth quadrant, so that your angle is at least 270 degrees, more than that, then your reference angle is the angle formed by this triangle and over here. Now, what about the reference angle corresponding to theta equals 2 radians? This is a little confusing because the radians is now given as just 2 instead of something multiplied by pi. However, pi is about 3.14 and pi radians is 180 degrees. Pi over 2 is about 1.5 in radians. This is equal to 90 degrees. Pi over 2 radians is 90 degrees. So 2 radians must be between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So the angle corresponding to 2 radians must be over here, where the initial side is on the x-axis and the terminal side will be between 90 and 180, or 1.5 and 3.14 radians. So the reference angle is the angle formed by projecting onto the x-axis, and it's the angle formed here. If this angle is 2 radians, then because the entire side is pi, the reference angle must be pi minus 2 radians.